Hello everybody, let's have a look here at the crypto markets. I think we've got some interesting developments here in Bitcoin. Well, what happened? Well, this is an excitable price action event, right? We have broken lower and then we've broken this consolidation. That's a daily. So this is an S1 pattern. Well, we have no trend, right, in this higher time frame, but a pattern is a pattern. And if a pattern follows through explosively like this, well, that's a bullish signal, right? If this is a daily, this is the weekly. So we've nicely tested the 21 moving average here. This consolidation basically was depressed by the 200 moving average, well, both actually SMA and EMA. So that was resistance, and the bulls were able to break through that resistance. Overall here on the weekly, well, we've got another S1 pattern. We basically, to get a really bullish, well, to get back into an exponential up leg, to get into a market type, bullish market type back again, so that we can expect something like this, right, an exponential up leg. Well, we have to re-break basically both lines, both green lines. This is why this arrow stands for. So we're still a bit away from that. But as we can see, 1 week can create a bar like that. Well, another week or two like that, well, we could get there, right? Or it might take a couple of more months, depending on what happens now. But this is a very bullish signal. Basically here, well, that's the very first sign on the daily chart, a bullish, the first bullish pattern, that crypto winter is over, right? Well, we had already before a couple of patterns on lower time frames telling us that we might be in springtime, and it looks like that. Well, let's have a look at Ethereum. Well, we see the very same thing, right? That's the S1. It's an S1 pattern that's just broken higher. Here we are already testing a rebreak, right? Looks more bullish. Ethereum looks more bullish. Let's have a look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. What is stronger? Well, we've seen during the last couple of since August, right? Basically, well, they're equally strong. Well, slightly stronger is Bitcoin, right, versus Ethereum. There's some weakness here, and it's currently testing this horizontal line, which is not unusual, right? Here on this chart, we had an S2 pattern. Well, that has broken the box, right? S2 futures pattern. Well, that is not valid anymore. So that's kind of a bit of a sign of a weakness for Ethereum. But it's coming back to test the line. It's coming back to test the 21 here on the monthly. So that looks pretty constructive for cryptos to go potentially higher over the next couple of months. So how long so we're looking for another exponential up leg like this. So that was March 20 and it went into, well, March 21. So 1 year, right? If we re-break, well, we're looking for 1 year, a 1 year move. And this one went from 4,000 to 60,000, so it's a more than tenfold, right? It's a 15-fold, right? So we can expect something similar. So it should go above, basically it should go above 250,000. Well, the first target is 100,000, and then it could go well beyond as well. So let's see.